Welcome back to another COG Card Breaks video. Snake and Rusty Nuts.
Hey everybody.
Tonight we're continuing the search for
the elusive 89 Ken Griffey Jr. rookie card.
Jr. The iconic baseball card that we were all chasing when we were younger. We got a certified BBCE box, which the certification didn't help us too much in our last video.
No.
So we're hoping we have better luck on this one. So we did bust a box of this before and got one,
but it wasn't.
It was a little off center, I think.
Yeah.
So we're looking for a.
We want to get us a 10 out of here.
We're looking for another 10. Yeah, BJ called in and said that was a 10, but you could get a better 10.
We can't always trust what BJ says. So,
that's right.
All right, are we ready to roll?
That's all we're looking for in this, right?
That's it.
Pretty much.
In the
there's
the Braves rookie. One of the Braves pitchers.
One of the Braves pitchers.
Didn't it? No.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Okay. Nolan, of course. I'm getting started here.
We're just going to get that.
Rob Dibble.
No, it's the Randy Johnson, I think is what you're talking about. And there's a Smoltz, right?
Yeah. There's Clemens.
There's Roger.
Yeah, Smoltz is who I was talking about. Kirk Gibson.
I think we skipped over the Smoltz last video.
Yeah.
Remember
Somebody mentioned it to us.
Always, please mention when we skip over stuff, guys. Because we are obviously...
We get a little excited.
I get a little excited about trying to pull a Griffey. And we miss something every once in a while. Is there a... I think there's not autographs in this one, is there?
No.
This first year. How about Mike Moore?
No.
Hey, there's the Bo Jackson.
It's a cool looking card.
Yeah. Remember that and pull that out. Tom Glavine. It's his, I guess, first upper deck. Look at that. That's weird. You don't see that very often.
No.
In upper deck. Oh, there's a Canseco.
Second, third year or something. Second or third.
Okay.
Yeah, these are upside down and backwards.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope this is a little bit more exciting than that last box.
I like showing these Hollywood.
Kirby Puckett. Look at that. There's a Kirby.
Wow.
And there's a Kirby.
Man.
Huh.
So, hey.
Hey.
You're saying there's a chance.
I'm saying there might be a chance there's a bunch of Griffies in here. Well, that would be nice. There's a Nolan.
Checklist.
Yep. Chuck Jackson.
Nothing. You can win the Mickey Mantle worth thousands of dollars. Don't forget about that.
They probably already got rid of that.
You think so?
Yeah.
You don't think that redemption's still valid?
Yeah, we could try it.
Well, we're definitely going to try it. Wallace Johnson. That's Randy's brother. Right?
Yep. I'm thinking of these doubles. I've got doubles of Ken Griffey Jr. in my head.
Look at that. That's cool. I don't remember that card. Do you?
No, there's Rob Murphy. Is that Dale's brother?
That's Dale's cousin. Yeah. Definitely. Okay.
All right.
This is interesting. So in my pack, there was 2 Keith Morelands. Did you notice that?
I'm wanting to hit that.
We're going to get
2 pack of Griffey.
Yep. There's the Ramon Martinez.
Is that 2 Dave Hendersons? Nope. I'm losing my mind.
Oh, what are the chances?
Could we be so lucky?
Maybe. It could happen. Anything could happen. Right. Guillermo. Look at that. I just turn it upside down and they go upside down. Mookie Wilson.
Mookie.
Mike Davis. That must be Eric Davis's brother. Crime Dog. Carlton Fisk. Okay.
There's just so much excitement going on.
Got a Ranger sticker.
I'm happy for you.
Those are cool, aren't they?
I'll keep some of these. There's Lemke, Glenn Hubbard, Ozzy.
Oh, the Brew Crew. Nope. Did you get doubles?
I didn't even pay any attention. I was looking for Ken Griffey's face.
I'm pretty sure we're going to get at least 2 out of this box.
Is the Ozzie Smith and the Ozzie Guillen considered a double?
Yeah. Baboon. Yep,
Hey.
there's another Mattingly. God, these stickers are just everywhere.
Don't worry about them.
Come on. Oh, cool.
We're getting so many doubles. I'm just, I'm wishing we could get a double of Griffey.
Kind of making you nervous.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's cool.
Snake's amazed by the stickers we got.
Oh, we got a Padres.
Dave Magnin. Stickers everywhere.
Nope.
Nope.
You remember opening these up back in the day? How much were they? You remember how much a pack was?
I do not know.
People just stand there and go get one at a time.
I don't think I was into the cards at that time.
You don't think
Real
so?
big.
Oh, there's 2 Stottlemyers. Did you see that?
Yep.
Get over there.
That poor hit horns just.
Am I going too slow?
No.
Man, those doubles are really. I mean, that is. I haven't seen that before in these.
No. Most definitely wasn't in that last box that we
Yeah.
opened of these.
Getting a good selection of different stickers.
I got me 2 wrong Gants.
Oh, big ones. Cool, Bob.
Wade.
He's doing his pre-game stretching.
Oh, I can feel 2 Griffies coming.
Be sure and leave us a comment. Hit that like button. Tell us what the odds are of getting 2 Griffies in a box. I don't even think the odds of getting 1 in a box is very good. Oh my gosh, there was my
2.
double.
Yep.
Willie McGee, Claudell Washington. All right.
I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to jump over
What?
here on your side.
Oh, you're going to take my hit.
Yeah, we didn't do the $5 challenge on
No,
this.
maybe we'll do it next time. Leave us a comment if you like the $5 challenge or not.
Look at
The
this.
Mets one's pretty cool.
Look how dirty that guy is on the back of it.
That's a ball player right there.
Hey, there's Billy Ripken.
Oh, not the Billy Ripken we're looking for.
Nope. I'll probably get 2 of them.
There's a rookie.
There's Will. The Thrill.
Stickers everywhere.
Bobby
Bobby
Bonilla. Okay.
I'm staying on my side.
You stay on your side. Because I'm coming back over.
I know. I'll get to your side eventually. It's going to be after I pull those 2 Griffies in 1 pack. And we're going to have it on video right here.
Oh,
2 Cecils.
I was about to say that's what you're going to get 2 of them. I think it's about the 3rd card down.
Yeah.
The double.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So if we hit the 3rd card down is a Griffey, we know we've got 2.
Oh my goodness.
Digging down.
There's a chance, man. There is a
You're
chance.
saying there is a chance. Third card down, there's an oral. Kevin McReynolds.
Yep,
There's
that's it.
Kevin McReynolds.
Wow. That is crazy.
Roger McDowell. Terry Kennedy. Nope.
That's crazy.
Let's see if this keeps up. Yeah, comment and let us know if you've ever seen this before.
Yeah, I have never heard of that in Upper Deck, but
okay.
maybe someone else has. Oh,
Sandberg. Okay. Oh,
Mario. Oh! Oh my gosh, it was so close, dude.
it was so close to the
One
third
card
one
away.
down.
Oh, yes.
Beautiful.
Right, there we go.
That's a one-toucher.
All right.
Oh, it was so close to being the third card down. Could have had two of them.
Oh, it didn't do
Oh,
it.
it didn't do it.
Nope. Here, let's put that in the one touch real quick.
Huh.
Yes.
Now it's switched on us.
Hey, that's I don't mind at this point.
No.
Man. Wow, that's great. All right.
Let you stick him on your side.
Get these out of your way. We did it.
Yes. And we still got probably about a half a box to go. She's a little off center. I think it's better. It's centered better than the last one.
Back's a little off.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'll just put it in my stuff.
Okay. Bob Derner. Now it's switched up
Curious
on
to
us
know
now.
what the second one's going to look like out of this box, right?
Yep.
So no more doubles.
No more doubles. I think they've stopped on us.
They-
Well, I bounced around there.
The
a little
Griffey.
bit.
The Griffey stopped it. That's fine with me.
Hey, let's go for another one.
Let's go. Jim Clancy. Oh, Benedict.
Bruce Ruffin.
There's a rookie I never heard of.
Dang, it has stopped the. That's strange.
Yeah. That's all right though. We got what we were looking for.
Yeah, but we're not done yet.
We're not done yet.
Don't give up yet.
How much we have left? We've almost got at least a third left, don't we?
Yeah, we've got quite a few left.
How many Pirates fans are there?
Mark Grace.
Winfield sitting there on the bench, I guess.
They benched him.
That.
Okay. Keep them hits coming. Yeah, we should have. See if we'd done the $5 challenge. You'd do that.
Well, we did. I said we were going to do it.
No.
So
There's no money out here, everyone. So
no, you said it.
doesn't count.
Go ahead and give me my $5.
Okay.
See if we can't get crazy lucky. Oh. I mean,
He's ready.
that's hilarious. I don't know. How do you want me to stand? I don't know. Stand like this.
Stand like you're shot.
Give me an action shot.
Like you just did a karate chop.
Judy chop.
Mike Jackson.
Yeah, give us. Read through those Mariners. Was that a Barry Larkin?
I didn't even notice.
Not the card we're looking for.
Yeah, that was a Barry Larkin. I'm so fixed on Ken Griffey Jr.'s face.
You always have been, haven't you?
Yes. Robin Yount. Sandy
Alomar Jr.'s rookie. At one time, there he is again. We're getting a lot.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Oh, that's great. All right.
Okay.
That's we've hit at least 3 of those, so
But you can pull those out and keep them.
This ought to be worth something just for
for the picture.
just for the shot of him.
Oh, we've started the.
Yes, we did it again. So there's still a chance.
Yep.
Is there a chance we get 3 in this box?
Now you're pushing it.
Oh! No way!
Yes!
Oh, man. All right.
Yes.
Cool.
And I was making fun of you, so I think there might be a chance we could possibly
Wow.
get 3.
That one's off more than the other one. Maybe that's what they did. They put all the ones that were off in one box. It's time to pull that 10 out of here.
Yep, we got to pull a 10 out.
BJ got in from
He said they're both 10s.
North Dakota, said those are both 10s. Don't worry about it, guys. Oh, there's Carmelo Martinez is my double in this one. Kirby.
Did you get a trip or double?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
So that means there's a chance for 4 in this box.
Yeah. What, you pull one right
Hey,
out?
there's a cow. Did you want that out?
Nah. He's been there a while.
What's that? What's that American League on Frank Viola's? Oh, he's the AL Cy Young card. Okay. Learn something new every day.
Yep. From 1989.
Smarter every day. Now that is a good YouTube channel right there. Let's go. Let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm excited.
What haven't
now.
I showed? Have I showed the Indians yet?
No, you haven't. And comment if Snake drives you nuts with that.
No, they love it.
Oh,
Just a bit outside.
there's Randy Johnson's
There it is.
rookie.
That's a hit. That's about the only other hit in this. So
Yep,
I'm gonna sleeve that for you. You got it.
I got it, man. You keep yours on your side, and I'll keep mine on my side. See, I came back on you on the $5 challenge.
Yeah,
Say,
you're
up,
winning.
So I'm up.
Yeah.
Where's my $5?
I'm pretty sure I tried to talk you into it. We got it on film. You refused.
Back that tape up.
You gonna go back and cut the audio?
Yep. Comment out there, y'all. Let me know.
Help him out. I got 2 in this one of Dwight Evans. There's the Denny Martinez. Huey Brooks. Jose is the AL MVP card. That's cool. All right.
I think you had already hit one of them before. Did you hit his regular card?
I think I hit his regular card, but I'm not positive. We have sight fixation on Griffey. Willie Wilson. Is that Mookie's son?
Ron Jones rookie.
Yeah. Hey, this is a cool sticker. Look.
Hey, I found this. On
It's got
the
stars in the back. I'm staying on my side. I'm gonna pull that other 2 Griffies out of this. I can't believe we hit 2 in this box. Can you believe that? So the BBCE has redeemed itself.
Yes, it has, from the 1983.
Yeah. Send anybody out there want to send us a box of 83 vending for what we went through there.
Oh, we would gladly appreciate it.
We'll open it up and do a video for you. Golly, I'm not even holding these up, am I? All right.
They're only wanting to see one card.
The Dale Murphy.
No. Have you got a Dale out of this?
The Nolan Ryan.
Yes.
Yes.
No, this isn't the Nolan.
I don't know if I do.
This isn't the Nolan.
Like the 3,
Yeah, 3.
the inaction thing.
Inaction,
I don't
yes.
know what it is called, but oh, there's the double again.
There's my double.
Man.
Why can't we hit a Griffey double?
Oh, somebody out there somewhere probably has gotten that. I still like this
Danny Tartamore.
with the stars in the background, kind of. All right, I'm going to your side.
Come to my side and see
First time.
if you can pull something good.
Hello from the other side. Lee Stricker.
Greg Maddox.
Is Nelson going to be my... Yeah, Nelson's my double. Here's the Greg Jeffries rookie. Look at that card.
Ball boy.
Golly. Frank Tanana. Super guy, by the way, in case you guys didn't know that.
I seen you had another Mattingly. I think we've seen, what, 4 Mattingleys?
Yeah, we've seen a lot of those. I'm assuming that card's not worth anything.
No. Okay.
Who is it?
Who's my third card?
BJ Surhoff.
Oh,
we
it's
got a
changed
flip.
up.
Oh, no, we lost it.
Yep.
Have to get back on my side then for the double. The double Griffies.
He's just chilling in the seats.
He's in the stands. Well, give me a break. All right, what we got? About 5 packs left, folks. What are the odds of hitting 2 Griffies in a box, if somebody knows that? Cal. Oh, Andy McGaffigan is my double. Stickers everywhere.
And
Get off of there.
a couple double stickers.
Andres Galarraga. Big Cat.
Browning.
All right. 4 packs left.
4 packs to go.
What a box.
Yes, I'm happy with this box.
How could you not be?
Gary Templeton. Who's my third person?
Jose Lee.
Jose Lean.
Oh,
There's a small rookie.
If you don't want that, I do.
All right.
That's cool.
Not doing the double.
That's a 10 if I ever seen one. That is actually a good, well-centered smoltz.
All right.
It's the last one on my side.
You still got that and another pack to go. I've got 1 more to go.
You want to do them both?
No.
Is that what you're saying? Gary Pettis, I remember that. He's holding the card.
Oh.
Andres Thomas, that's Simmons. Crime Dog, Jamie Moyer. Okay.
No Griffey for you.
Not another one.
My last pack.
Let's see. Let's see it.
Hey,
Hey, there's McGuire.
Tony
First year
Fernandez,
upper deck for McGuire.
Mike Campbell.
Leave us a comment if you understood what I said. Get out of there. That was the Astros.
I didn't need it.
Oh, I dropped it too.
That was
Okay,
it for
last
me.
pack.
Last pack. Last chance.
Last chance for a triple Griffey
For
Jr.
amazing box.
Yeah.
Come on, make it amazing.
We'll slow roll it. 2 Walt Weisses. Darn. Oh. It looks like that's
a
our
couple of stickers.
That's our rookie card for this pack, maybe. World. Oh,
Another oh,
World Series.
a double.
Okay, there we go, guys.
Hey,
Man, cool.
we can't complain at
No
all.
way, that's great. Look at that. What are the odds? Does anybody know? Pulled 2 of them. And, dropped it.
And the Randy Johnson rookie.
Randy Johnson. We did pull the smoltz this time that we left out last time. Or left in the box. And the cool bow. That's it.
Good box. Great box.
Awesome.
Stay tuned. We got some 81 tops coming up.
Yep. Later.
See y'all.